Hello everyone. The zombie ant fungus, scientifically known as cordyceps unilateralis, is a parasitic fungus that infects ants and alters their behavior before killing them. The fungus is largely pantropical and primarily infects carpenter ants. Genus Camponotus. The zombie ant fungus begins its life cycle as a sticky spore on the forest floor. If the spore attaches to the body of a passing carpenter ant, it germinates infective hyphae thread-like strands to breach the insect's exoskeleton. Once successfully inside the ant body, the fungus grows and manipulates the ant's behavior, eventually positioning the ant in a warm, humid location near the ground that will best serve to distribute a new crop of fungal spores. Infected ants leave their nests at different times than their regular foraging habits and fail to walk along established ant trails. Infected ants are generally unresponsive to external stimuli, including other ants. Sporadic convulsions eventually make the ant fall from the tree canopy back to the forest floor, where its movements become seemingly non-directed and aimless. The moribund ant is soon directed to climb a low-growing plant, orient its body specifically on the vegetation, and permanently lock its mandibles to firmly attach itself to the plant. This death grip is closely synchronized with the extent of infection and is the final act of the ant. Death follows very shortly thereafter. Research into the mechanisms behind the zombie ant fungus suggests that the organism activates and suppresses certain ant genes throughout the infection to alter and control its behavior. For example, the fungus disrupts the normal behavior of the ant through chemical interference in the brain, causing the infected ant to behave in ways that will improve the opportunities for the fungus to spread its spores and reproduce. After the ant dies, the fungus finishes digesting the cadaver from the inside out and, as its final act, erects a triumphant stalk from the base of its conquest's head. The stalk releases spores from characteristic lateral cushions, and the cycle continues. Ants have developed adaptations to protect themselves and their nests from fungal infections. By grooming themselves and socially cleaning each other, allogrooming, they remove potentially harmful spores before they can penetrate the skin and take hold. Some ants spray poison in their nests to act as fungicides, and if that fails to stop an infestation, they partition their nests by sealing off contaminated chambers. In some cases, infected individuals are carried out of the nest by healthy workers, and as a last resort, the entire colony relocates, abandoning their infected nest. The association between ants and fungi is ancient, with evidence of fungal parasites of insects dating back to around 105 million years ago. The zombie ant fungus is thought to have evolved to become either strictly species-specific or more generalist in their choice of insect host, with some able to infect hundreds of different species. The zombie ant fungus is a fascinating example of the complex interplay between organisms in the natural world. Its ability to manipulate the behavior of ants to serve its own reproductive purposes is a remarkable example of evolutionary adaptation. As we continue to study this fungus and its interactions with ants, we may uncover new insights into the intricate web of molecular influences and behavioral adaptations that shape the world around us. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this one. Goodbye.